So in this run, I'm going to throttle control it so I don't go stir crazy on full throttle. So here we go, down the block. Turn around, do the same thing. So here we go, controlling. Giving it just a little throttle. I'm building up, building up, building up, full throttle. Because I pop a wheelie in that particular spot, a little hump there. See if I could do that wheelie again for you. Full throttle coming up. Oh, my first crash. Oh, my first crash in a year and a half. Let's see the damage. Yes, indeed. There's the damage. Not bad at all. Loads of fun. So, yeah. I just wanted to see if I could do the wheelie a little longer. And I may want now to just build myself a little protection right here. I don't know. But there you go. Loads of fun. Year and a half plus, never crashed her.